Imagine that every person has inside their brain two rooms, a yes room and a no room. When people are in the yes room, well, they accept all your ideas. When people are in the no room, they tend to say no to your ideas. So it's pretty obvious that you want your ideas or requests to land inside of their yes room. And remember, if your message lands in their no room, you will trigger their critical factor and they will unconsciously dismiss whatever you're saying before they've even considered it properly. And that is no good for you because you won't get your agreement, which means you won't get your yes response. So again, you have to get your message, the words that you're saying, to land inside of the yes room in the other person's brain. Now the secret of moving people from the no room, where all the ideas get rejected, to the yes room, where they're eager to accept and respond to them, is very simple. Get them to say yes to almost anything, and then keep on doing that, because the more they agree to things, even small and unimportant stuff, the more their minds will fall into the mental habit of saying yes. It's just like taking them by the hand and walking them step by step out of the no room and into the yes room, where all your ideas will be listened to, respected, and of course, accepted. So, we've got their attention and we've bypassed their critical factor, that no mind we spoke of. Now, there's one more important element left in the ABS formula, and that is stimulating the unconscious mind. And there are many ways to do this. However, the simplest and most practical way that gets you almost instant success is simply to engage the emotions of the person that you are talking with. You see, emotions are created by your unconscious. So, when there's an emotion, the unconscious has been stimulated. And that means that the person that you're communicating with moves from being merely interested to being fully engaged. And when they are engaged, they're in sync with you. They are mentally and emotionally moving in the same direction as you. And that's when they'll agree to your ideas and requests as if it's the most natural thing in the world for them. Okay, so setting the hypnotic context by following the ABS formula, you can put people into hypnotic trances. In fact, in a room full of 100 people, if you just followed the ABS formula, then 99 of those people would go into receptive hypnotic trance, unless your hypnotic attitude is somehow incongruent.
To continue with the rest of the training, click the link in the description box to download the rest of the videos for free.